Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So welcome to the third part of our this series of WhatsApp shop bot. So in this video, we will explain you how as the admin of the bot you can see all the analytics, all the orders, and how to customize the store of yours of WhatsApp. So you will have a like proper web panel for this. At the moment it's running on our system, but when you will have this you will have it on live domain. So you will register and then login. For now my registration is this. I will log in and I will see analytics on my dashboard. Let me see what was wrong. You can see this is our beautiful dashboard with all the product like cards, total products, total orders for pending, total revenue earned, categories we have quick buttons here for adding categories, add product, view orders, settings, etc. And these are our recent orders. We can also see order details from here. You can see this was the order product, and this is the order status. We can change it from here. This is the user's details, this is the payment method they have used, order created, and payment received. So this is the like comprehensive dashboard for a e-commerce store. Then in the next option we have products. Here we have all the products. At the moment I have connected my uh, WordPress shop with this bot, which I will show you how you can connect as well. You can also add a manual product. For example, you can also search product, for example, Nutella cupcake. You can see we have three products for Nutella and they are here. Also we can do for categorical wise. You can see only these category products are up here. You can also delete all and add products. For adding products we have an option of download CSV template. You can download CSV template and then fill all the information of the used products here one by one in the same format. You can sizes, types, colors, active, yes, and like stock, quantity, image, URL, etc, everything here. Then you will come here and upload CSV and select your CSV and upload it here. All the products will be uploaded. And the next part is how to add the product manually one by one from here. For example, I will add this product rapid. This is rapid product upload test. Then we will select a price, for example, $30. You can 30, or you can select the currency here, USD. Select category. You can you will be also able to in future to have subcategories as well. uh, Subcategories or categories I will explain here. At the moment they are all main categories. You can create subcategories and select that subcategory for the product from here. At the moment all are main categories. So for example I select sneakers, stock quantity 200, then upload product image. You can also enter the URL or upload a product image directly from here. For example, I select this one and then I have these options. For example, SML, XL sizes, then its type regular. These are not compulsory, these are optional. Color red, blue, it's separated by comma. Create product. This product has been created successfully and it is active, you can see. Now I will go to my WhatsApp and click hi, and we will check out in this category we see this product or not. I think we added this product in the last category. Browse categories. I guess it was sneakers. Let me confirm. Edit. You can also edit the products. Sneakers, yeah, sneakers. I will select sneakers. You can see it had one product which we added. Now it will also show us the add to cart. Now it will also ask us to add the options. Please select size. You can see I selected medium, which we added from admin panel. Its image not appeared because there was some issue with my image. So in live case it will work perfectly. Select type regular. Quantity, we select 3 quantity. You can see the product has been added to cart. So again, after that the flow will be same. So in this way you can add products. Then we have categories. You can create or remove category. You can add a new category by selecting category name here, adding description here. You can assign it as a subcategory to a main category from here. You can see then if you assign a product to that category, that would be assigned as a subcategory. You can also add a category image. You can sort it out in the how it appears in the WhatsApp board by adding the number here. It will then appear at that number. So you can create category in that way. Here all the orders will appear. You can see you can search or filter out all the payments or orders. Then you can view the details of each order like this. Then we have the main part of settings of the board. You can connect your multiple stores here. At the moment you can see WooCommerce is connected. You will add your these information and click on sync products. Now all the products will be from your WooCommerce store will be added in your WhatsApp shop, and they will be keep synced with your WooCommerce store. Then we have Shopify. You can add your shop URL and admin API access token. We have a separate video how to get these. Then you will enter these and click save settings. Your products from Shopify will be here. Same for Facebook Commerce Manager. We can also connect our WhatsApp shop with our Facebook Commerce Manager, adding your Facebook access token and catalog ID here, and then save settings. Your Facebook Commerce Manager have all the products will appear in your WhatsApp shop. You can also upload your Amazon downloaded CSV, import it here. Simply just export there and import it here. Your Amazon products will also appear here. Same for eBay and same for Etsy. You can also understand and take help from this option. So in this way you can connect your all stores. You have multiple payments methods. You can connect your Stripe from here. You can connect your PayPal from here. You can add your crypto payments, now payments or paymentor.io from here. Easy Pesa account here, and Jazz Cash from like entering your information, API information here, and you can also enable or disable your COD from here. Then we have general information, the base URL which will be your domain, save settings. Then this is your WhatsApp cloud API configuration. This is your because WhatsApp API is provided to WhatsApp business Meta. You will take these three informations of for your number from there, add it here and save WhatsApp settings. Then your bot will be live. Okay, this is your welcome message. You can customize your welcome message. This is the order confirmation message. You can see thank you for your order number has been confirmed, total was this, and you will notify. You can also edit your confirmation message. After that save message settings. Then you can add FAQs from here, add FAQ, delete FAQ. Then we have customer support settings, your support WhatsApp number and AI agent number from here. So this is all from admin panel. You can manage your store and customize your store, each and everything from a web dashboard or web app. So I hope this is what you were like looking for. That's why you have watched this video. So if you have any question and if you want any customization, feel free to contact us. I hope now we have explained each and everything so that you understand what we were trying to explain. So hope so. Now we are fine with both. So thank you, goodbye, have a nice day.